Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Chris with me. Last time she came, it was so fun. We put purple in her hair, did a cute cut, and it was darling. And then when we did it, I was like, oh, we should have done a video. So she come back to get her purple. So I wanted to show you the video on how I put her purple in. This seriously has been 10 weeks. And I can't believe that the purple has stayed in this well. It looks awesome. So anyway, we are going to add purple back in. And
Can I just say that you need to take care of it very well?
Yes.
Yeah.
Really, no, really, please, because a lot of people, you know, will want a color like this or something, and it's upkeep, like it will fade. Like she said, she went and got purple shampoo, and that really helped. And the other thing is rinse, wash in cool water. You know, the conditioner cool, you don't want hot, things like that. So that's good. I'm so glad that she said that. That is huge. Okay, so back through here a little bit throughout, we're gonna brighten some of this dark out too. We're gonna brighten and add the purple. The purple, I wanna show you guys, it's from Rusk. This needs no developer, okay? So I just put it in my bowl, I just squoze it out, no developer, you just put that on just with the color, okay? So this first weave that I'm gonna do, it's a medium weave. I'm going to add a little bit of bleach with only 20 volume. I'm just gonna lift it out a little bit so it'll brighten it. Okay, if there's ends that are already lighter, you're not gonna wanna go over those ends, but these right here are to where I can go over all of them. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you this other side. I'm gonna obviously lighten this side. Okay, bring the blonde here. It's so fun. Elaine, we're gonna do her haircut next. We've done it a while back when we first cut it off. We did a video on it and it is so darn cute. I have lots of compliments on it. So we're gonna do that one. And it's just fun. Those two, and Elaine's hubby comes down every 5 weeks and I just love it. They've just been such good friends. Okay.
Did you mention that Elaine and I are sisters?
Yes. Did I? Because I knew that in my head.
Oh.
I am, and look at me, I'm thinking that everybody knows that. So yes, Chris and Elaine are sisters. So that was my next. Isn't that funny that I really thought I just talked about that? But anyway, I didn't. Okay, so I'm going to go purple here. Obviously, just cover all of that. And if you want, you can put, you know, gloves on because this purple will definitely stain your hands if you get it on you. Okay. Now, say your hair is dark, really dark. For this purple to work, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to lift the hair color to the blonde so this purple will stick. So yes, you need to lift it out. So her color is super great to add this purple to. Okay, now I'm just gonna come up one more section. Okay, this one I'm gonna lighten. So you can see I'm just going every other one. Okay. And then if you need to go, you know, 3 foils around the head, that is great. Just depends on how much or how big
How big your
their head is. Bottom line, how big their head is if you need to go 2 foils or 3. Okay, so we're gonna lighten this one also. Okay, just cover all of that. Yeah, I'm so glad that you said that, Chris, in the beginning, because a lot of people, you know, if they do want colors like this, you know, I can talk to them and let them know, you know, hey, there's not a lot of colors that stay in real well. You know, they'll fade out. I mean, they stay in. It's not, doesn't stay like the others. You know what I mean? And so if you do those things, like you say, you got that shampoo and conditioner, you know,
You want to stay bright.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And that's, I am so shocked right now of how good that has stayed in. It's just awesome. Okay, so right here, I am doing 3 foils. So I'm doing one right here in this middle. Anyway, so yeah, it's super fun. They come down from Salt Lake every 5 weeks. And like I said, this one has been 10. She skipped, didn't skip, but didn't come the last appointment because everything was fine with her hair. And so now we know she can go 10 weeks with this color. And it's been fun. She said she's had lots of compliments, so I love that. Okay. All right, I will do one more row of the blonde and then the purple, and then I'll just explain how I just keep going up the head, and you can just kind of place it. That's the thing that I always like to tell people also, is just kind of picture this as being an open canvas, like you're painting their hair, obviously. Like, just keep in mind where you're putting what paint. You're like drawing a picture. And then it just becomes your own work. You know what I mean? It's really fun. But I do like that I am doing one of the bright and then one of the purple, one of, you know, lightning, and then the purple. And like I said, I'm only using a 20 volume with this for the light. And then the purple, you don't need any developer. You don't want any. You just put it on the straight pigment onto the hair. Okay, here's the blonde. Okay. All right, you doing all right, Chris?
I'm fine.
Oh, good, good, good. Yeah, it was fun. The first time that I met her, she was talking about, hey, I really want to put some purple in. And so the next appointment they made, we ended up doing it. And then now it's just like it's fun. I was talking to Elaine, seeing, you know, she still wants the purple, right? And yep, absolutely. So super fun. And purple just looks so good with this color. I love it. And then the haircut we do for you is super awesome. Okay, all right. Now, so you can see I'm just in the middle here. Like on the nape area, you've seen that I just did a couple of foils. That's just because it was, you know, it's narrow, more narrow at her neckline. And then, so just go with the shape of the head. You'll be able to see where you want what. And that comes with time too. You know what I mean? You can just kind of see what you're going for. Okay. Purple again. So it's kind of fun too. Before, you know, we just added the purple to her hair, and when she says, you know what, we need to maybe brighten some of this up right here, and so it's just fun. Just kind of go with what you feel like you like, and each time you can get it just right.
And I really like that Radona does what I want and not what she wants. You know, sometimes hairdressers kind of,
Oh,
you
that's
know,
so nice. Thank you.
end up doing, I don't know, what they think is best. And you listen, sweetie.
Oh, you're so nice. Thank you. No, I really do appreciate it, because, you know, I do. I just appreciate it. So it's fun. I love, love, love it. Okay, so now what I'm going to explain to you guys is I'm going to come around and brighten, and then purple, bright, purple. You know, I'm just going to kind of do this, and then I'll go forward, and then I will come straight down the sides. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Purple, and then bright, purple, you know, the blonde in between. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do to finish. And then next video will be her haircut, and you'll see the finished product. So thanks so, so much, and we'll see you shortly.